The next feature. This man once told me that he doesn't like big introductions. So I'm not even going to do that. Because even if I started, he will walk up here and interrupt me. Because I know these things. So I'll just say, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your first feature of the night, Mr. E, the Poet MC.
Get up for your DJ and get to you all night. Hold up. All right, how everybody doing?
Great.
You good?
Yeah.
All right, real quick, I need everybody to just like spontaneously make a whole bunch of noise like right now. Go. Yeah. Somebody said, oh my God. Everybody just orgasm up here. Is that happening? Oh my God. Okay, that's what it is. All right, real quick, get some plug things out of the way, because I really don't like long intros, because like, I be sitting back watching people bring people up, it's like, he cured cancer back in, and he parted the Red Sea, and he rode with Moses and shit. This like, guy writes poems, get over it. So, all right, so, I'm gonna be doing some poems for you off these two wonderful projects here. One is called Spoken World, okay?
All right.
Other one is called The God World Woman.
All right.
Yeah, very dope joints. And what we're doing with the CDs tonight, we're doing like what I'm calling karmic pricing.
Okay.
Now, technically, the CDs are like $10, but you know what I'm saying? If like you don't have $10, like say you got $5, you can get a CD. Let's say you had $4, you could get a CD.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Because what ends up happening usually, it's like, somebody who got $10 will like, yo, hit 15 for the man ain't got da-da-da. That's what's been happening. Now, for you trifling ass folk, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Exactly. Like, I got $100 in my pocket, I'm getting nigga die. You know what I mean? It's called karmic pricing because that's your karma. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. All right, so. Yeah, man, that's for y'all. So, that's what that is. And so we're gonna, this is storytellers, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm supposed to tell my story, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Y'all can talk, but we gotta make this an interactive thing. It's not a spectator sport. This is not like tennis and shit. Y'all gotta like, talk to me as I talk to y'all. So, I'm supposed to tell my story, right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. That's what it is. I like that. This is not, I feel like I'm in control. So, I'm do some poems and get out your way. Well, my story gets a little ugly. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright, we ain't got no language barriers.
No, sir.
No shit like that. Right?
No.
So I can just randomly say shit.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's see how many times you can do that in your set. That's 3. Let's go.
You gonna keep count?
Yeah.
Alright, this will get ugly now. Yeah. So, yeah, let's start with a bio. I'll do a bio. Because, I sent somebody like, I'm doing a little tour thing, right? I'm getting to the poems in there. But I'm doing a little tour thing, right? And they always ask like you to send these bios. And I'm like, why? You know what I'm saying? So I send bios and I just got to the habit of actually writing them down. So I actually write them down. But the first time I went on, did a little tour, someone asked me to send them a bio, so this is what I sent them. I was born in September. I'm gone till November. My name, they call me E because it's easy to remember. See, I'm the father of a warrior daughter that was born in December, but war-torn by her mother who tried to smother my fiery embers. See, I remember them still mad with them white folks turned to center. See, their crosses still burns and said we stamp return to sender. See, I'm that hate that hate reduced. You're not used to this type of vigor from a nigga battling crack instead of always attacking niggas. See, I changed the name to Muhammad for the pig that's sick in my stomach, and the bond is trapped in our tears and all the years it took to confront it. Now when poets and MCs, when they spit, they sick up on it. When it comes to that racial issue, say that bitch and you won't confront it. See, I done it, I been did it, I spitted poetry into sonnets. My words are gonna take this room as the stage and physically upon it, but my spirit-possessed opponents see them over their head like bonnets. Now if you shook, say you shook. My poetry book, they say it's haunted. They say that my middle passage is from the middle passage, my beats from the slave ships rumbling. No reverb when I record, just echoes from slave dungeons. And my punches were they from men who refused to bend their knees. See, I know a few like Malcolm X, but they refuse and be MCs. And spit styles that vary like it's necessary by any means to see their dreams divulge, to see that money bulge in their jeans. And their teens like Detroit Red is full of bloodshed, blocking vision. Systematically attached to God, but see God is not religion. See, there's a division between the church and the state of the black race. They say that I lack taste because America's fate, it tastes like hate. And our appetite for destruction's like a Rick Ross production. Straight gangster got these niggas now 100 miles and running. Through Iraq, he won't come back the way they were before combat. And though Obama ways his shadies, baby, he won't come black. He's like a nigga selling crack, supporting distortion of the facts, and Bush extortions on our back, aborting a portion of us blacks. And see, this is important, black. I don't rap, I unravel your head wrap. Of this dangerous material come from this government's head cat. And see, my mama gets stressed, black, when she's looking at my bio. Because you looking at crack mothers, nigga, you looking at my bio. I got potholes in my lawn, heroin needles in the backyard. Been there, got a t-shirt, and niggas don't come back, God. But I'm back, God, I'm back by God, and God, am I grateful. And I apologize to any queen that's seen my temper, you think I hate you. But see, that was love beneath the mug, that never seen the need to budge. You see, I do poetry, now you see I just needed a hug. But you thought I needed a judge, a psychoanalyst woman issues you. Treated me like a thug, or else a thug to be a bitch. You chicks, you never listen. I kept insisting it's not that deep. You are who I am who I am. See, it's not that deep. So peep this bio, see why you act like I do. My life's full of snags, nigga, I'm a bag nigga, eat I do. So what's a brother to do except do me till I'm done and say, fuck it like my father and leave this bio to my son. Yeah, so that's the bio.